Good morning, day one of staying at home. So I stepped in this morning, even got up later than Poochie. He's been waiting for me. So we're gonna have 2 weeks of quarantine life. So we're gonna stay home for 2 weeks. So the first thing I like to do is always, get freshen up, brush my teeth, and then start to taking shower. Not great way to make you feel refreshing in the morning. And then I would like to change my outfits in the workout outfits. Feels like energetic, I guess. And then start doing some cardio workout because it's best way to wake you up, get your blood pumping. I like to do this before breakfast because if you feel too full, you're not supposed to jump around too much. I like to do this called 500, like 100 jumping jacks, jumping ropes, and do some weights training as well. Even I don't really like weight training, but I'm trying to build more muscle. Um, so I will do like bicep and triceps and just different kind of body parts. Try to get more toned, I guess, and then lots of stretches in the morning. But my favorite one is always cardio workout. I think that's the best you can do in the early morning. Kind of get yourself energetic before the breakfast. So we have so much time at home these 2 weeks. We can work out multiple times a day. If you have backyard, you can work out in your backyard. If not, just like what I'm doing right now, just work out on the balcony. You can do workout at home, I'm sure. Just no equipment. Let's work on ourselves. Use your only body parts, I guess, to do all kinds of workout. And then time to make fresh pot of coffee. That's so good. Also another thing, keep yourself in the routines. Make your bed. Now we're gonna make breakfast. That's my favorite meal of the day, and I think that's the most important meal of the day. First, I'm gonna have my coffee. Oh, this is a coffee I really like. It's from Starbucks. It's like citrus and chocolate flavor. First, you just need to cut the banana into small pieces and then toast your bread. Use this all natural peanut butter and just spread the peanut butter all over your bread. Add the bananas. It's like most easy breakfast and high in protein with black coffee. After breakfast, it's time for yoga. You can, just use a mat and you can do yoga anywhere. Yoga is probably most easy like workout you can do and a cheap workout because all you need is a yoga mat and you can go online to check lots of yoga workout. And then I used to follow this P90X, their yoga workout. It's pretty intense. And I've been doing yoga for years. So you can just get any yoga tutorial, do it at home. It's like one of the best workout you can do at home, really. And it feels super stretched out, ready for your day. Okay, we just got a bunch of grocery home because for the 2 weeks quarantine, stay at home, you need tons of grocery. So let me show you guys what I got. This bag is like most like fresh, like very healthy stuff because you still want to make sure you eat fresh vegetables and the all natural foods. Just be healthy, right? Try to be, because I know it's hard during these 2 weeks while you stay home, but we'll try our best because you can do lots of home cooking, which is great. So let me show you. You get this frozen vegetables just in case you ran out any fresh vegetables. So let me put this in the freezer. Okay, so got this Greek yogurt. This one is my favorite because it's coconut flavor. Coconut is so good. Fresh ginger. So we're gonna make our ginger shots since everything is closed right now. So I'm just gonna make my own ginger shots at home because you need strong immune system right now. And of course you need eggs, because eggs are very good, high in proteins. Onions. By the way, guys, we need to eat lots of like onions, garlic these 2 weeks, because those will help boost your immune systems. I know it may not taste the best, but trust me, you need to eat lots of garlic and what I'm talking, onions and garlic right now. Okay. And green onions, you can use this to make fried rice. By the way, I'm gonna do another video, maybe sometime this week, to make the best fried rice ever. And jalapeno. So of course avocado. Avocado is so important. This one is not the best yet, but I mean, since we're gonna be home for 2 weeks, I can stay in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. And limes and lemons. Yes, every morning make hot lemon water. That's really, really good. Bananas and jalapeno again. What else? Oh, and then some fruits like mangoes, stuff, you know. Oh, I forgot to buy apples. Apple is so important right now. Okay, so those are like the fresh stuff. I will just use stuff make my daily meals. Yeah, that's very important to eat fresh or natural stuff. And then I also got some stuff like, you know, for emergency, like, I mean, surviving type of food right now. We got a pizza. This is pretty good actually, frozen pizza. And ta-da, Hot Pockets. I miss Hot Pockets. I haven't had Hot Pockets for a while. I guess we probably need this for this quarantine lifestyle. We'll see. Okay. What else? Lots of Cheerio. Oh, by the way, I discovered this Cheerio. It's like powdered mini donuts. I think it's gonna be interesting. I never had this in my life. It's first time. Let's see how it's like. Put this here. Okay. Regular Cheerio. And lots of oatmeals. You guys know, like, I love to have oatmeal for breakfast. But by the way, oatmeal is pretty good for breakfast, guys. It's easy to make. Take you 1 or 2 minutes. You can get it done. Macaroni and cheese. 2 different brands. This brand and this brand. We'll see how the 2 different brands taste like. We'll try. We have so much time these 2 weeks at home to try everything. Pasta. I guess we're gonna make a pasta for dinner tonight. And oh, by the way, I discovered this. If you guys like seaweed, this is like a seaweed roll. By the way, seaweed is pretty good for you as well. They say that we're supposed to eat like seaweed pretty much every day because it's like anti-radiation or whatever. I don't know. I mean, that's what the people said. So that's pretty good. So that's pretty much my groceries. So I'm gonna put them back in the fridge and we'll go get our day started. Today I decided to put on this summer dress. It's more like romper. I guess, you know, when you put it on your favorite clothes, can light up your mood, and then put on the makeup as well. That make you feel your life is in order, and light up some candle. It's time to check the work email stuff. No, there is no work emails. Okay, you can do online shopping. You always want to buy the stuff online. Now you have all the time you want it. Of course, get to spend time with your pets while working at home. That's a big bonus. Hi guys, after workout, I decided to make some ginger shots today. A lot of times I can just go to juice place to get ginger shots since everything is closed right now, so we can do this at home. Like I got a ginger today, and all you need is ginger and water. So we're gonna put those in the blender. I already cut out the ginger, and I'm just gonna put it in the blender and add. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Shot! Wow. My gosh. It's so strong. Oh my gosh. That will help. Okay, now I need something good to just kind of like chase this flavor, the ginger. I'm gonna have Greek yogurt with some berries, because berries so good. It's antioxidants, and for the yogurts, it's pretty good as well because you need that probiotics in your body. I tend to I like to take probiotics, but I feel like sometimes you can get this from the food, like such as yogurt. And I did a deep cleaning of the house. It's such a great workout if you guys don't know doing housework. And I did the laundry as well. I think I'm gonna have lots of time doing laundries. I love doing laundries. I don't know why. It's one of my favorite housework I like to do. I don't really like doing dishes, but laundry is so fun to do. And I get to play with Poochie. That's so fun. You get to play with your pets while you stay home all the time. After that, I start doing Pilates. If you guys haven't tried a Pilates yet, I suggest you should try it. It's such a great exercise. I know some of you guys don't like doing yoga, or some of you guys don't like doing like cardio workout. So Pilates is kind of like in between, like combine like yoga and has some cardio workout mixed all together. Sometimes you can go to like Pilates studio, but like there are mat Pilates, which is the Pilates exercise I'm certified to teach. I really like doing Pilates. And then this jump squats is like amazing, like workout to end up your Pilates, because kind of get your blood pumping. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Go walk Poochie. I love to walk Poochie. How cute he is. Okay, those are the snacks I like to store at home. Those egg whites, you guys have seen me have those protein bars. If you don't feel like cooking breakfast, you can have the egg white. And then I love those kind bar. It's my favorite snacks. They have different flavor. This one's like a caramel almond sea salt. It is so good. And then this one's like a peanut butter, dark chocolate. Yum, love those. And then another like kind of dry fruits. I like to keep those around the house as well, just in case you cannot go out to get a fresh fruits, since we're gonna have lockdown till April 19th. Someone said that Los Angeles City may extend the lockdown, hopefully not. So just in case if we don't have chance to go to grocery shopping, I got a bunch of those dry fruits, because fruits is really important. Cherry berry, those ones. And another one I really like is those castor. It's so good. I take this with me all the time. They have different flavors. This one's almond, and of course you guys know those Nature Valley. This one is pretty good as well. And of course you guys know this is like all kinds of stuff mixed together, like nuts and dry fruits. So those kind of snacks keeps you full and pretty good. Okay, so for snacks, I'm gonna have this Aussie Bites today. Have you guys ever had this one? It's so good. It's like a small portions. I mean, it's all about the portion control. I don't really count calories that much anymore. I think it's really just about the portion. You know, have multiple small meals a day is the best. Since right now we have so much time at home, you can totally do small meals. Like just do like small meals, multiple small meals a day. That's good. So this one's like Aussie Bites. It's so good. Yeah. And you also have tons of time to drink water. Like you can drink a gallon of water each day right now since we will never get stuck in the traffic. We have all the time at home to drink the water. So hydration is so important. Okay, these are some of my tips staying at home. You can spend time with your pets, you can learn new stuff, and stay healthy, stay fit, do lots of home cooking. Most important, stay well, guys. Love you guys.